I'm in St. John's, Newfoundland, and it's 9:36 a.m. in the morning. Just out here, just minding my own business. Then just start hearing this fucked up noise, man. It's just fucked. Just keep hearing, just keep listening, man. And this is coming off the cell phone too. Don't mind that, that's just my autofocus. Just ignore that shit. Yeah, man, this shit is legit. All you YouTuber fuckers out there think this shit is fake. It's real. I live in Canada, St. John's, Newfoundland. Just listen, man. Just keep listening. Ah, stop, like that. Ah, there it is again. Keep going, as long as my phone can last. Get as much of this crap I can. That damn cloud in the sky, all you hear is this fucked up crap. This fucking harmonic shit. Ah, dead again, man. Oh, there it is. The fuck, man. Dead. Oh, gone. Fuck is this crap? Man, you heard that? Fucking hear that shit? Fuck, some bizarre fucking crap. Stopped again. Fuck off. Oh, it's 9:40 in the morning. This crap's been going on now for 3 minutes fucking straight. Just turn myself on my phone to an angle. I'm on that. Down on my fucking roof just to get this crap. I'll keep posting videos like this as they appear. Don't know how long I'll have to fucking wait. Cause this crap is just random. It just comes out of fucking nowhere. Day, morning, day, evening, night, late morning, early morning. Doesn't fucking matter. Fucking wind, Jesus Christ, it's cold out here. Fuck, that's so damn loud, man. Fuck. Dead. And that doesn't even sound like no fucking plane at all. The fuck? Look, it just died down. And there it goes again. Focus, fuck off. Sounds like this shit is coming from the fucking sky. Looks like this is it. Just want to die down for now. Ah, no. Here it is again. Just getting off my shit here. Why that shit? It's about 6 minutes now and this shit's been going on now. About that long. And it's 9:43 in the morning. Expecting me to fucking sleep after on this with this shit going. It's gonna be some fucking fun time. Boy, we get to fucking sleep and this shit don't keep me the fuck away from having a fucking day until it stops. I was on some time when I was working nice. Look, man, look, this some shit's so fucking loud, man. The fuck is this crap? Fuck's sake, it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning, like fucking 20 minutes to 10. And this shit's just fucking retarded. Going on yesterday too, but I couldn't fucking get it. Died down too much. Just about close to 8 minutes now and this shit's been going on. Autofocus. Looks like that might be it. Oh, wait. No. No. I don't know how long this shit will go on, man, but I gotta get some sleep, man. Alright? More videos will come up as they noise appear. Alright? Best of luck to y'all. Peace.